Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in and your iPhone is updated. This prevents sync conflicts. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then iCloud, select Manage Storage and choose Upgrade to iCloud Plus. You pick a plan, confirm payment, and optionally enable family sharing to share storage. Do this now so core services like backup, private relay, and hide my email are available immediately. It keeps your backup safe and features active across devices. Next, enable the specific services that make iCloud Plus useful. You should toggle iCloud Backup, Photos, and Messages in iCloud so your media and conversations sync and free up local storage. This ensures restores work seamlessly. Then enable Private Relay and hide my email to protect browsing and signups. These improve privacy without breaking logins. Finally, configure HomeKit Secure Video and a custom email domain if required for cameras or branded mail. To finish, verify a successful backup by going to Settings, your name iCloud, then iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now to force one and check storage. Make sure your payment method is current, upgrade storage if needed, and enable family sharing to distribute space. If things go wrong, try signing out and back in or restarting the phone. If backups still fail, reset network settings to rule out connectivity issues before contacting Apple support. This quick troubleshooting resolves most problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.